What's up, traders? Sim money becomes real money today. As you can see, I took a $5,000 payout on the 25th of last month. And then 2 days ago, I just took another $3,500 payout. So within 30 days, I'm up $8,500 of real money trading with these prop firms like Top One Futures that offer us the opportunity in the simulated environment to take real payouts and, more importantly, move towards trading a live account with them. So this video today, I want to show you the month of trading that has led into the most recent payout. So I came off the $5,000 payout and I moved into this month, into May. And now with a really nice streak, as you can see here, I've been able to take that second payout. So I'm up $7,500 this month. Now, I think a lot of you want to see these stats, and that's why I take the time to show this video. If you are not tracking your trades yourself, I've got a discount link for TradeZella. That's this software here. The discount link is for the monthly and or the yearly plans that they offer. So use the link in the description or the link in my bio to save. Now, profit factor on this, 2.6, which is awesome. But most important to me is this 72% trade win rate, because that's what I'm always focused on. With my personality and the way that I trade, I need to have a 70% win rate in order to take payouts. A green streak is always great. 13-day green streak, 7-trade streak is always good to see. But most important thing to me is my win rate. I want to end the days green. As you can see here, that's the focus. Even on the one red day, it's only $480. It was recovered within 2 days. Half of it was made back the next day. You can see by staying focused on the week, I'm able to avoid letting this day lead to tilt, right? Also, staying focused on the entire month, I know that 400, 400, 200, 900, 500 can all lead up to $7,500 in simulated profits, but that leads into real money payouts. Now let's dive into the reports here. Actually, before we even do the reports, this is my daily report card, my notebook section. One thing I'd encourage you all to do is make sure you're tracking the trades that you take. For example, I've had a lot of good pre-market trades this week, like this one. I wouldn't notice the patterns in my own trading if I didn't do daily report cards. Now, let's not sugarcoat it. This is the entire report. This is the entire report card. It's just markups showing my entry with my text on my chart. That's the whole report card. Some days there's a little bit more in here, but some days there's not, as you can see. Some days I'll do a video review and post that on Twitter for you guys like this, and I'll put that in there. But just, for the point that I'm at in my career, this is enough review for me at the end of the day. But maybe it's not enough for you guys. So don't copy me. Take from me what I'm doing that you think may work for you and modify it for yourself. But speaking about these pre-market trades, look at these moves that we're able to catch this week, where I think a lot of guys got chopped up in regular New York market hours, especially near the open. But I was making money pre-market. This is at 8 a.m. off that overnight VWAP right into the low a day VWAP. That was a beautiful trade. Also, I believe it was on Tuesday. There was another one. Yeah, pre-market here as well. As well. Off the overnight VWAP here. That's that dotted line you see trading down into the previous day VWAP. So I'm looking for these little scalps, everybody. Like if you look at my average trade time, average winning trade, I'm holding it for 21 minutes. Average losing trade, I'm holding it for just 9 minutes. My average daily P&L is $503, and my average winning day P&L is $574. Average losing day, there was only one, is $480. My largest profit day is $1,100, which I think makes a big difference, right? When you look at the largest loss day at only half of that, that's where the gains are really made. That's where the payouts are made, right? Now, here's the thing I probably should emphasize too. I still had 11 losing trades. Number of winning trades, 29. Number of losing trades, 11. So I still lost a good amount of my trades, but I was able to make it back, not let the losses be too big, and then still finish the day green for the most part. Max consecutive wins, 7. Max consecutive losses, 2. So I lean into that 2 very often. If you've watched a lot of my videos, I usually don't run super long red streaks. So when I take 2 or 3 consecutive losses, I actually have a lot of confidence that my next trade should be a winner. And I only know that because I'm tracking the trades here and studying the markups and studying what I'm doing well. Another cool thing that you can do now in TradeZella is like really come in here and analyze each trade individually. Like here was a long trade that we took pre-market. I think this was, do I have the markups already pulled up here? Yeah, this one. Beautiful trade to get us over the line. This was the $925 winner. So pre-market again here, but this one, instead of trading off the VWAP up here, because we extended so far away, I trade back into it with a pretty tight stop, 10 points. that trade, when you look at it on TradeZella, will actually give you a Zella score and actually rank how well you're reading risk reward, how well you manage the trade, so on and so forth. So I caught 18.5 points with 10 contracts on this trade. You can see everything here. See the commissions. You can see basically everything. Entry time 8:30, out at 8:42. And then you can see here on the chart, the position itself, right? In here, out here. So going into next month, what am I going to do? Number one, I'm going to work on still pushing for a live account with Top 1 Futures. Number two, I'm going to lean heavily on making sure my win rate stays high. My day win rate stays high. I want to make sure I'm ending the days green. Even if it, like, look, on the 16th, $230, but that made the week $2,500. You see what I'm saying? Not $2,300. So it all adds up. And I'm also going to try out some new prop firms. I have been getting a lot of comments from you guys to try Take Profit Trader, to try some of these other firms that I have not even heard of. Like I saw Nick for a Tick, one of the guys I've had on the podcast, was promoting some new firm I've never heard of. I'm going to try a bunch of new firms and just keep trying to take as many payouts as I can. You know, for me, I don't think there's many people. There's some, but there's not many people that have 8K in real payouts, real money in the same 30 days across 2 different payouts. Not copy trading, everybody. I'm not copy trading or doing any of that other stuff. It's just one account at a time. So I think for me, that slow, consistent jab, 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 stack, 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 take the payouts at the end of the month, that's what's working really well. So is it life-changing money? No, but I do these videos to show you guys that for the new traders, for the struggling traders, the prop firm stuff, it's the best place to start. I wish I could have started with this back when I was a trader. And then you take these profits and you can do whatever you want with it. Personal capital, real estate, stocks, gambling, whatever else you want to do with it. Have fun. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you stay subscribed here on my channel. I've got podcasts going up every Saturday under the Day Trading Show. We've got panel style podcasts coming up over the next few weeks. In person, we film those in Miami. So definitely check those out. Make sure you're subscribed. Hopefully this video motivates you. Hopefully you got a little education out of it too. And you see the stats that kind of play into what you need for payouts like this. If you liked it, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.